Today I'm going to unbox an Owlet baby monitor. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton. Today's unboxing is going to be the Owlet baby monitor, specifically for the Smart Sock 2. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we demonstrate project videos and review videos on showing you how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other videos that we've completed in the past, such as reviews, projects, or unboxing, go ahead and click on this link right here. We purchased this Owlet baby monitor Smart Sock 2 from Target, so let's get started. When picking up this product, you can tell you have something quality because of the weight of the box and how the box feels. This is also packaged really well because when I give the box a nice little shake, there's not a lot of things rattling around inside, so you know they did a great job on their packaging. They did such a good job on their packaging that this sleeve right here to remove in order to expose the box was actually kind of a pain to remove without ripping it. Once you get that sleeve off, you'll see a saying here, "Up all night so you don't have to be," and a glossy logo that shimmers in the right lighting. On the side of the box, you'll see this little fabric pull tab. This is one of the better boxes that I've seen because it has a magnet open and close. Awesome quality, love the box. You can use this for other things later on, and this displays the product nicely. There is a testimonial off to the side when you open the box. Now I don't know if there's multiple testimonials that are spread across a variety of boxes or if it's just this one. Moving over to the Owlet, there's a plastic case that secures the foot and the Owlet device, which explains why there wasn't any rattling when I shook the box. Now with the base station, it is all plastic. You'll see it's a nice glossy plastic though, and it indents a little bit, and there's a fairly transparent ring around the edge allowing a variety of colors to shine. The whole base station is pretty much an on-off button, and there's two micro USB ports on the side. Moving over to the Smart Sock that's on display, this is the smallest sock available and shows what the sock would look like if on your baby's right foot. The next layer underneath this is all of your light reading material. This includes setup instructions showing you how to quickly set up your Owlet and how to properly do so, a quick reference guide showing you what sock to use according to what size or weight, how the base station works, a variety of lights that will show and what those mean. The last booklet being the warranty and disclaimers pamphlet. Moving on to the layer underneath that, you will see a very short micro USB cord. This is the one that Owlet suggests to use charging your Owlet, and then also the power adapter and the longer USB cord that goes from the power adapter to the Owlet base station. Then you'll see the holder for the other two sock sizes. And apparently 70% of unnecessary notifications are prevented by the correct sock size. The other two sizes are the 2 and the 3, so you know you can have the right fit for whatever age. And the stuff underneath this is nothing. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. Be sure to keep an eye out for the how-to video and review video of the Owlet baby monitor that we have coming up. If you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and click this link right here, and don't forget to click this icon to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos that we have coming up. Be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram page that you can find right here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.